Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you're watching from. So I want to answer this ice ice quiz, but let me put it to you that you have just three trials, and after those your three trials, your mining might be disabled if you fail them. So don't be in a rush to answer the questions. Make sure you go through these things. I've lost one attempt, so I have just two attempts left. So I'm making this video so that you guys can learn from my mistakes and my corrections. So after I failed it, I went back to read up and to make proper research. So I think I'm back prepared. So follow up, as you can see. And one thing I noticed again, I've done my KYC before now, and I have this verified badge just by the side of my name. But right now, the badge is no longer there. And while I was reading up, I noticed that it's not just by KYC any longer that you can get verified. You cannot get verified after you've successfully answered the quiz question. And note, sometimes if you fail this question, you might not be able to recover your account again. That means your mining account is gone. So please and please take take this thing as a lesson. So and learn from me, both my mistakes and my correction, and let's see how it goes. So screw down. Complete quiz. So you can see retries left 2, this left 13. So yes, I've read it. So you're supposed to come down this knowledge check, down here that has all info for the quiz can be read here. That's where you're supposed to click on to read about it. So I'm clicking on start right now. Then are you sure you want to start the quiz? I said yes, confirm. So if a new bonus is granted and claimed before the current one expires, how long does the daily bonus remains valid in the ICE project? I'll go for 24 hours. I got it correct. What role do validators play in the governance and the operation of the networks? Okay. Mm, Validators are responsible for developing and decentralized invalidated attacks to maintain the network security. I'll go for the last one. Correct. How much can users boost their mining rates through the pre-staking during phase 1 of the ICE project? I'll go for the last one, 250. I have just 9 minutes to answer all these questions. On what network will ICE distribution take place? BNB. Why did the ICE team feel the need to create a new cryptocurrency? To create a transparent, fair, and accessible cryptocurrency. I'll go for the first one. So, what does the ICE network aim to achieve primarily? To compete with Bitcoin, to create a game, to build this. I'll go for the third one. What steps are involved in completing KYC step 1 within the ICE network? This was the previous one. I think face recognition and liveness detection. That should be it. So how does the ICE network handle governance? Centralized dictatorship by decentralized community-driven governance. No, I'll go for the third one. What kind of bonus do you receive for tier 1 friends directly referred by you and tier 2 friends referred by your tier 1 friends in the ICE project? 25% or 5%. I'll go for the third one. After using all the accumulated days off in the ICE project, what follows? Um, After using all the accumulated days off of the ICE off in the ICE project, what follows? I think slashing. You automatically enter the slashing mode. Okay. What is the method for users to invite their friends to join their team on ICE? I think share referral link. The second one. What details are available on the team screen with the ICE project app? Second one. The current check-in activity of your referral. Yeah. How many times is the reservation option available for use in the ICE project? I think just once. How does the ICE network differ from conventional mining method? It requires expensive, it consumes significant energy, it rewards those who actively build micro communities. Is based on, I'll go for the third one. What is the main objective of the governance model within the ICE network? Main objective: to minimize community, to centralize, to concentrate power in the hands of the few large, to create transparent, secure, equitable government. The last one. What is the primary role of the ecos, ecosystem growth and innovation pool fund within the ICE network? Okay, let me take that again. What is the primary role of the ecosystem growth and innovation pool fund within the ICE network? To fund marketing campaign, to support research and development, to foster innovation and expand the ecosystem. Mm, primary, the primary role of the ecosystem growth and innovation fund. Okay, to provide liquidity to financial to foster innovation expand. It's between the second and third. To support research and development. Mm, I think I'll go for the third one. I got it. What distinguishes the ICE project from other crypto initiatives in terms of users reward? What distinguishes the ICE project from other crypto initiatives in terms of users reward? ICE reward users for keeping their coin inactive. ICE reward users to mine for short term. ICE reward users based on their completion. ICE reward only active and engaged community members. I think the last one. How are validators chosen and re-elected within the ICE network? Validators are elected automatically. Validators are automatically selected based on their stake. Validators are appointed by lotteries. Validators are randomly chosen from the community. Okay. And this randomly. No. Randomly. Validators are elected by the community and must be re-elected every 2 years. I think this is it. The last one. I have just 4 minutes, 30 something seconds left. Okay. What sets I have 18 correct answers? Wow. What sets eyes apart in the realm of crypto mining? It focuses on making mining more expensive and it's only accessible to those who started. It allows users to mine without using their phone resources. Okay, consume a significant amount of phone resources. The third one should be the answer. What sets eyes apart in the realm of crypto? Yeah, third one. It allows users to mine without using their phone resources, data, or battery. The last question. What is the purpose of lock period assigned to specific portion of the coin distribution in the ICE project? To prevent coins from being used for staking, to encourage short-term speculation, to promote long-term commitment to the project, to increase the inflation of to increase the rate of inflation. I think the third one. To promote long-term commitment to the project. Because why stake if you are not committed? Uh-oh. In the eyes, I think you are just like if you get 18 answers correctly, you are good to go. But I have 20 correctly now. Yee! In the eyes projects, how many consecutive days of mining are required to accumulate 1 day of? Uh-oh. In the eyes project, how many consecutive days of mining are required to accumulate 1 day of? And my favorite one, in the eyes project, how many consecutive days of mining are required to accumulate 1 day of? Uh, honestly, no idea, but mm, let me go for the first option. Even if I fail it, at least I've passed the quiz. I failed one. Yes, verification complete. Yay! Finally. Okay, voila. Can you see now that the verification badge is back now simply because I passed? Did you notice it? So guys, I the 21st question, so the mistake I made that you can pick any option, but don't pick the last option. I picked 15 days, so don't pick that option. Go for something else. All right. So see you guys. And mind you, they say this quiz is compulsory and you just have 13 days. I think they want to do a lot of cleansing in the system for inactive users. And in case you're an inactive and you have a lot of coins sitting down or lying there in the app, you might just think you can come one day and just withdraw them without working, stuff like that. You might just come back and you get shocked that your account has been, or your mining has been disabled, that you can't do anything about it and it's gone. So it's always good to always check in on your investments. All right. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and also turn on the bell notification on my channel. And if you have any questions, I'll be willing to help. All right. So see you guys, and you can check all of my videos, my crypto videos, and you can decide to join my Telegram channel for more crypto updates and airdrops. All right. See you guys. Best of luck.